Hey, welcome back to the channel. Last video I talked about the fork seals and how I was planning to replace them, which the fork seals are still on order. They're supposed to come on Monday. However, one of my buddies, Robin, he had talked to me about or mentioned that there's a tool out that I could try. So there's a tool called SealMate that I've never heard of that he had explained to me. Now, this little plasticky thing that it almost looks like a sticker, and that's what I thought it was maybe I ordered the wrong thing and I ordered a sticker for my car or something, like a decal. However, this is the tool. $15 for this. Probably cost 2 cents to make it, but if it's gonna save me the $90 for the fork seals, the $78 for the seal tool, as well as the few hours it's going to take me to learn how to do it, and yeah, me screwing it up, having to bring it to somewhere and having them fix it properly. If it saves me all of that, it'll be $15 well worth it. I don't know if it works. I had to YouTube it. I've never heard of it before, but we're going to try it, see if I can get it to stop the seals from leaking. So there's two reasons why your fork seal will leak. One is from debris, and that's what the SealMate is actually going to hopefully solve if that's the issue. And the other one is the seal has gotten dried up because it's too old. This bike is a 2018, so I don't think it's that too old for the forks to go bad or the seals to go bad. But I don't know. Again, we're going to try it and see if it works. First thing we got to do is actually just clean up the fork. Okay, so apparently you can just use this, and actually now this is a dust cover apparently, and you can pull it off, but I'm going to try it without the dust cover and just see if it works. So you just get it up inside, just work your way around. I mean, it is taking some a lot of dirt and crap out of there. It would be easier to take the fender off, but again, path of least resistance, right? Let's see if it works without having to work harder. One spot I didn't get in the front here. Do it one more time. Okay, so a lot of dirt that grime came out of there. Now you're supposed to pump it. Now let's see. Now, I can't really get in there, but it doesn't seem to be leaking. Now, I'm almost... See, I don't know if it was leaking before anyways, because it looked pretty clean beforehand, and after using that, it's supposed to seat the seals again by doing it, and some might still come out, but like I don't see nothing coming out, so I don't know if it worked or the mechanic lied to me and I don't actually have fork seal leak. Anyways, I'm gonna go take it for a ride, see if I can replicate any of the oil coming out. So yeah, let's go take it for a ride. And look what's come in the mail. It just actually came in the mail just as I finished doing the SealMate. This is the fork seal kit, the tool, and the oil. So maybe I might have to return that. But anyways, let's go take it for a ride. I usually just go around these, but today I'm gonna hit them. Dunk. See if it can replicate the leaking. Hit him again. Okay, let's go into my favorite training area and have a look. Well, there's a little, there's a little bit on my glove there, but like, is that normal? Guess I should do it with the opposite hand. Like, that has a little bit of shine to it too. Like, there's a little bit there, but it doesn't seem like... Like, it's not much more than that, or any more than that. I thought if it would be leaking, it would be relatively noticeable. I don't know. Do you think that tool worked? It didn't work? Mechanic was lying to me? I'm kind of wondering. Now, the tire for sure, that needs to go for sure. If I knew how to do burnouts, I would really wear it out. But I don't know how to do burnout, so I know that needs to be replaced. But he also said there's bluing on here, which, I mean, I can't tell. Brake pads look like there's still lots of life in them from last year. Huh. Well, I think I'm gonna hold off. I might do the seal mate again, and kind of hold off on doing the fork seals right now, because that's not as concerning as what they were saying. They were telling me it was going to get onto the brake caliper and I'd have trouble stopping. I haven't noticed any difference in performance. So I just did the seal mate again, and this time I seated it 10 times, pumping it down, and now there's no oil. So I think I should have done it a couple times in the first place before taking it out. I should have done the seal mate, which is going around. Let's get it here. Going around. Pump it up because that's supposed to reseat the seals inside, and then I should have done it again after that, and then pumped it up, because this time after I got back, I went around twice with the seal mate, and then I pumped it 10 times, back and forth, and now there's no oil. So maybe it does work, but I guess time will tell. Haven't decided whether I'll send the fork kit back or not, but I guess I'll give it at least a week of riding and see what it does. In the meantime, maybe I'll learn how to do a burnout and get rid of that tire for good. Well, it's a few days later, and it is actually leaking. It's hard to see in this light, but whenever I stop, I'm looking. It's actually coming down onto the brake caliper again. So I'm not going to say that the seal mate doesn't work. It doesn't work in my situation, so it looks like I'm going to have to try to rebuild him. Oh well. Anyways, until next time. Later.